Ladies, today I'm going to talk about pain with sex in menopause. So if you've been able to have normal pain-free sex before, but then you're starting to notice dryness, burning, almost a tearing-like sensation with intercourse, you're probably already suspecting that this is due to some hormonal changes. So in menopause, when our estrogen levels are reduced, we're going to see changes in the vaginal tissues as well. The vaginal tissues will atrophy, which means that they will get thin, they will get dry, and that plumpness of the tissue will actually thin out, and that can make sex really uncomfortable. So those vaginal tissues, they lose elastin, they lose collagen, and they lose the mucus production. And that means that we're going to have a thinner, drier, less plump, more thinned out muscle as well, and essentially more fragility of those tissues. But I want you to know that this is treatable, and it's not just with hormones, although I think that that's a discussion you should have with your doctor. Talk to your doctor and find out if hormone replacement is right for you. And you don't necessarily have to do a systemic hormone replacement. It can be topical. Some women in menopause who don't have a lot of symptoms except for the changes in their sexual function respond very well to just a vaginal topical cream with estrogen. Just talk to your doctor and see if it's right for you. And even if you are not interested in hormones for whatever reason, there are other options. You can try a hyaluronic acid vaginal cream, which can be purchased over the counter. It doesn't work quite as well as estrogen replacement vaginally, but it's your second best option. Some of the women I've seen in the clinic who are postmenopausal and have not tolerated hormones have done very well with the hyaluronic acid replacement. That's going to build up the collagen in the vaginal tissues and give it that thicker skin and replenish some of the moisture. I've had a few patients now use hyaluronic acid who were bleeding with intercourse or dilator use, then no longer have bleeding or tearing after consistent use. So outside of topicals to help build up the integrity of the tissues in the vaginal canal, we need to discuss, are your pelvic floor muscles tight for intercourse? So some women who have pain with sex in menopause have been avoiding sex for a while because it's been so uncomfortable. And what I've noticed is that over time, the vaginal opening will start to narrow. And then we're left with dry, thin, atrophic vaginal tissues with an opening that is too small for comfortable sex. And as you can imagine, it's just unbearable to have intercourse in that situation. So once you talk to your doctor about different topicals that are right for you, you can also start using dilators. Dilators are used in the medical community to stretch out the vaginal opening and vaginal canal, particularly for those who are having narrowing or pain with intercourse. I have a whole video on how to use dilators. So a vast majority of women that I see with pain with intercourse and menopause do very well with topical treatment in addition to dilator treatment and are able to resume comfortable intercourse, generally within several months. Please post your questions below, and thank you so much for watching.